First, you must download the driver of the Evo 4. Go to the Evo website and download your OS driver. Do not plug the Evo 4 for the moment. Download over, you can start the installation. Authorize the application writing remote commentary, for example. When the installation is done, you can plug the Evo 4. Go to Search and launch the Evo app. The Evo app opens in the Hidden Icons menu. To open it, go to the bottom right of your window, click on the arrow and right-click on the Evo icon. Click on Check for update. If your Evo needs to be updated, just do it. At the end of the firmware update, you will need to reboot your Evo. To do it, just unplug the USB cable at the back of your Evo and plug it again. Plug the XLR connector of your headset into the input one at the back and the jack connector into the headset input at the front. You have 6 small buttons to select a function and a big central knob to adjust the parameter. This button is the master volume button. When you plug the Evo, this is the default selected button. Turn the big knob to the right to increase the volume in your headset. A long press on it will mute your output. The button is blinking when the output is muted. To unmute it, you just need to press the button during 2 seconds and it stops blinking. Just above this button, there is the balance mix output button. It controls the balance between your own voice and the sound coming from the PC. Click on it and turn the central knob to the left to have a feedback of your voice, or to the right to listen to the audio coming from the PC. Now, you need to adjust the input gain of your microphone. Click on the button Input 1 and turn the central knob to the left until 3 or 4 o'clock. Some microphones need the phantom power to work. When the input is selected, you just need to click on the 48V button to activate it. The adjustment of the gain can also be done automatically before you start to comment. Click on the green button, choose your input, and click on the green button to start the process. It takes around 15 seconds to adjust automatically the gain. During the process, you will need to talk, but you won't hear yourself. The sound will be back at the end of the process. To mute your microphone, press on the input button during 2 seconds. The button is blinking when your microphone is muted. Press again during 2 seconds to unmute it. All these actions can be done directly on the PC. Go to the Evo icon, right-click on it, and launch the Evo control window. Here, you have the master volume button. Click on it to select it and adjust the level with your mouse. Keep pressing the left button of your mouse and move it up and down. You can control the balance if you click on this button. Adjust manually the gain if you click on this one. If you want to start the auto gain process, click on the green button, select the input, and click again on the green button. To mute the input, click on the M button. To mute the output, click on this M button. This button is a link button. It links both microphones, so you don't need to use it. You can save your favorite parameters. Go to File, choose a name, and save. Each time you plug the Evo and you launch the app, you just need to load this file to have your favorite parameters back on. Be careful, the master output level is not saved in this file, so you have to do it manually. In Linphone, we'll check that the audio parameters are good. Go to the Preferences and go to the Audio tab. Main output 1 and 2 is the output you need to select in playback device, and mic line 1 and 2 in your capture device. If you don't see the Evo 4, it means you open Linphone before you plug the Evo. If it happens, just restart your Linphone. When the good input is selected, you are able to see it modulating there. You're ready to comment and you can launch your call. If you click on the wheel icon, you can still change the audio parameters. You can mute your microphone if you click there. To adjust the level of the app on the PC, go to the Hidden Icons menu, right-click on the monitor, and open the volume mixer. There you can adjust the balance between Linphone and Screen Player.